Hey there, young adventurers! Today we're going to talk about a super cool topic, the Big Bang Theory. This isn't about a TV show. It's about how scientists think our whole universe started. Imagine the entire universe starting from something tinier than a dot on a piece of paper. That's what the Big Bang Theory is about. About 13.8 billion years ago, everything in the universe, all the stars, planets, galaxies, and even space itself, was squished into an incredibly small point. Then, suddenly, this tiny point exploded. This wasn't like a regular explosion with fire and noise. It was a kind of special explosion that created space and spread everything out. After the Big Bang, the universe was super hot and full of energy. It started to cool down and expand, sort of like a balloon getting bigger when you blow air into it. As it got bigger, the energy started to change into tiny particles, the building blocks of everything we see today. For a long time, the universe was just a big hot soup of these tiny particles. Slowly, they started to join together, forming atoms. Atoms grouped together, forming clouds of gas and dust. These clouds got pulled together by gravity, and they started to spin. Now, let's zoom in to about 4.6 billion years ago, when our solar system started to form. Our solar system was also once a big cloud of gas and dust. Something, maybe a nearby star exploding, made this cloud start to collapse. As it collapsed, it began to spin, forming a big spinning disk. In the center of this disk, where most of the material was pulled, our sun was born. It got so hot and dense in the middle that it started nuclear fusion, shining bright and creating energy. Just like the sun we see today. The rest of the material in the disk started to stick together, forming clumps. These clumps became the planets, moons, asteroids, and other objects in our solar system. Earth was one of those clumps, and over time, it became the beautiful planet we live on now. So when you look up at the stars at night, remember that they and everything else in the universe started from that amazing event called the Big Bang. It's like the universe's very own birthday. Isn't it incredible to think about how everything, including our own solar system, started from just a tiny point and grew into the vast universe we're exploring today?